Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you were one of the last to not have the new Start menu on Windows 11, Microsoft has finally announced that the Patch Tuesday updates in July will enable the new Start menu for everyone. So you'll have that new Start menu with the ability to customize the type of view with categories, with, of course, lists or grid. And that will officially be the new look for the Start menu. It's not perfect. There are some, kind of improvements, but still, this is the first in a series of Start menu overall. So that means that now this is the new Start menu, but later this year they are supposed to be pushing some redesigned Start menu that will go further and actually answer more of the complaints that users have on the customization of that Start menu. So new Start menu with the panel for your phone that will be available is coming this Patch Tuesday. It'll be interesting to see if everybody does get it. It's supposed to be activated for everyone. So this is going to be interesting to see if indeed those of you that are still left behind will have it, as Microsoft says. And it happened a few times, and Microsoft said, "Oh, it's available for everyone." And some people still say, "Well, I still don't have it." But now it's supposed to be available even for those that didn't have it yet on their PCs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.